Hello, it's Rebecca and Amanda with Miss Kate. We are going to put together the Let's Celebrate page kit. So here is our title page. It shows us the layout, the way that it can go. I'm going to start putting my photos here. Let's see. I'm gonna maybe switch some things around. No, that's too cute. I like where it is. This is a page kit to highlight a party. This is my son Jake's 3rd birthday. This is when we lived in Okinawa, Japan. We loved going to the ocean and the beach, and so we did a little fishy cake for him.
Can't see, but those are Swedish fish swimming in the water.
I did little jelly beans and stuff to make it look like the bottom of the ocean. Twizzlers for the coral.
So cute.
You can see Jake's personality. Jake has many different faces.
Yes, he does.
His like puckering,
those
like
cute pouty lips.
I know. He's always been such a fun kid, and I just love looking at these photos.
You know what I love about Miss Kate's page kits? These photos fit just right on the photo mats. It's perfect.
These die cuts are perfectly popping out and just add another dimension to this page. Can't have a party without balloons, right? I like that we can put them wherever we want. With this one, I'm going to follow the design that has been laid out already.
I'm not sure if you can see this very well, but this paper has a cute polka dot design printed on the back. It's just a subtle gray, so it's not actually white.
Okay, what I'm noticing right now is that this cake has 3 candles on it. And this is his 3rd birthday.
That's perfect.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that worked out perfect.
So as I'm putting these page kits together, my heart is so full right now, seeing the memories and having these memories come back to me and being able to preserve them in a way that it was so simple and easy. It was such a quick thing to put this together, and now I have something that I will be able to keep forever and pass it on to Jake.
Come and join our monthly page kit club. All page kits are $5. For every 10 kits you buy, you get a free page kit. There are over 30 page kits to choose from every month, and we'll ship it out to you for free. If you want your page kits shipped out before you've reached the 10 mark that gives you the free shipping, just email us at misskatecutables@gmail.com. We'll just invoice you for the shipping. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoy our page kits.